G'day guys, I've been down here at the Big Boys Toys Expo all weekend with all 4x4 spares. I don't know if you've been hearing about these winches called carbon winches. Well, I have been on social media, Facebook, you see the comments about them. Well, this is the first opportunity I've had to actually lay eyes on one. Now, there's a couple of things that have always intrigued me about them and just, I've just gone, I wonder what they're really like. And it's things like they actually air pressure feed into the motor. So you get an air pressure, you put it in there. Why is that important? Well, it's going to keep water and moisture and dust out of the motors. Now, these are fully sealed, they reckon, and all of that. So they've already dealt with it at that level, and let's face it, a lot of winches do that. But adding air pressure to it is not something I'm aware of being done in a winch that's under $1,000. Absolutely, comp truck guys and those giggle pin winches and all that, they're doing that. They've been doing that for years. So I like that element of it, because with a winch, it's something you need in an emergency. You've got stuck, you need your winch to work. So reliability is absolutely key. So that's important. The other things I liked about it and have intrigued me is the motor, 6.2 horsepower. So it's a beefy motor, and the ratio in the gearbox is 216:1. So I'm thinking, not having used it, I'm thinking that this is going to be a relatively fast winch and powerful, 12,000 pounds, so it's got some decent grunt. So I'm thinking that I need to talk to Carbon Winch and get one of these on my Bundera so that I can actually really try it out and see how good they are. So just stay tuned. I'm hoping I can do a bit of a deal with them and get that onto the Bundy, and we'll see what she's like. But anyway, if you're interested in a winch under $1,000, on the website, all 4x4 spares. Go and check it out. I reckon I'm intrigued, shall we say. I'm MadMatt. Stay safe on the trails.